it's definitely a chance that like I will start by her. Drinks. It's warm. Popcorn machine. Oh, you can hear it. I might fail. Yo guys, I'm only living off of vending machines today in Tokyo. Think I'm gonna die or not? It's 9 a.m. I just left my capsule hotel in Shinjuku and I'm walking around to try to find this first vending machine. And I'm seeing that this is gonna be a lot more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. Every vending machine I've seen so far only has drinks in it. And it's making me nervous because I feel like I'm not gonna be able to find any hot food vending machines. Like apparently they're a lot more scarce now than they were back in the day. Now mostly it's just soft drinks and tea and coffee. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna make it happen somehow. And I mean almost right on cue, we found a bunch of stuff in here, a bunch of vending machines. But like I said, they are all drinks. I'll grab a coffee and we'll leave it at that. So this is 100 yen. 100 yen. Put that into there. And let's grab that. Oh. Nice. Ooh. It's actually pretty good. The worst part is as I'm walking through trying to find some food, I'm passing by all of these food places like, oh my God, there's food everywhere. Like I could literally eat anywhere, but I'm stuck trying to find some stuff from some vending machines. Like this is torture. So check this out. Same street. They got beans in there. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh man, I might fail. It's been at least like an hour and a half, 2 hours. I have yet to find some food I can actually eat. So yeah, this starting to get real. I can't even lie. It's actually really bright out here right now. Like the sun is out, but the weather says it's gonna rain. So I'm very concerned that I don't have an umbrella. So I still have to go find that. It's no food. I don't know what to do. I don't want to die today. I cracked. I went over to a spot where I knew it was like so many vending machines, and the only thing I'm gonna be able to do right now is just grab some of this soup. I know this is corn, but I don't know what that is, and that's what I want. So that's 130 yen, and I think I'm just gonna like bite the bullet and grab it, just so I can have some in my body, because it's 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything. I just been drinking water and coffee and caffeine drinks. Let's just do it. Let's just see how it is. Oh, it smells good. It's a couple chunks of something in here, so like I don't think it's meat. It's probably just onions, but like at least I'm getting some type of nutrients. I'm getting something. All right, I was right. It was a bunch of onions in there, like all at the bottom. So I should have shook it. I guarantee that was like an instruction on there, like shake well before using it, but I didn't know. Yaka's gonna be joining me with some vending machine food.
I'm trying to get a... Oh no! It's sold out! No! What should I get in there?
Man, that's
shrimp
fucking...
soup?
Wait, shrimp?
Shrimp soup.
Yeah. Alright, let's see.
Okay, I gotta shake it.
Oh my God. That's what I didn't do earlier. I didn't shake my thing. It was all at the bottom.
That's what I said.
This is so funny. Where does it say that?
Yep, right here. Oh, that's right. You don't speak Japanese.
That is good. It's
So
really
good, right?
Yeah.
So good.
It's getting kind of late. I still haven't had like a solid hot meal. I'm gonna head over to秋葉原right now. All right, so I took the train in秋葉原, looking for these sketchy vending machines. Kind of sucks that I feel like I'm about to be lost looking for them. Like every video I ever seen, everybody's lost trying to find them. And here I am, same predicament. All right, so this is not what I was looking for, but I believe this is the canned Oden vending machine. So that'll work. So let's see. I got a feeling it's nasty, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It feels good that I finally had some hot food. This is the canned Odin. We'll see what they say for it. I have no idea what's in here. I probably should have looked that up. Whoa. Okay. Ooh. At this point, it's about survival. I can't be choosy. I wish I knew what I was eating. This is horrible, actually. What if I was allergic to something? My game plan now is just to eat and ask questions later. Legit, what the hell is this? Oh my fucking goodness. I just seen the biggest rat. It's time to go. Oh gosh. Alright, it's time to try this. I haven't heard good things. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Oh. This is actually pretty good. What? So this drink is pretty tasty, like once it's in your mouth. But I truly see the dilemma because once you put it up here, like when it gets to your nose, you gotta, you know, be smelling and trying to sip. It get real tricky, cause that stank. I see this sketchy ass place, and I will agree, it looks super sketchy. But I mean, it can't be as sketchy as walking down Hollywood Boulevard. So let's get on up in here. We up in a hot spot. It is definitely creepy in here. This is when it gets a little sketchy. This looks weird. It's like several crevices, like you gotta slide through here. Damn. Listen, don't tell me I came all of this way in this sketchy area in the dark just to get some food to find out they ain't even got no candy. They ain't got no chips. Oh, they got chips. Oh, they got chips. Actually, now that I mentioned it, they definitely got some chips. I'm gonna grab some of those. It's all good. I'm gonna grab some. That's Himalayan salt. I'm about to get those. Even though, I mean, truthfully, that ain't about to help me survive. But I think it's cool, and it'll be an interesting story for my kids. I feel like I just ordered this off the black market. Yo, this is what this feels like. This is the black market in real life. But it's no hot food, so it's just like, what am I doing? I'm literally wasting money. Oh, I've seen these before. I did a video, US versus Japan snacks. And this is one of the snacks. And I'm gonna get some popcorn if the machine works. Just cause I wanna see how it works. Oh, okay. The popcorn machine. Oh, you can hear it. All right, now we're gonna go back in there. Okay. Oh. This must be for your boy. I'm being completely honest when I tell you this. This popcorn tastes great. I'm actually surviving off of vending machine food in Tokyo. I thought I was gonna die earlier today. Like, I legit was like, yo, you might die, bro. I'm trying to do something for the internet. But now look at me, thriving. Of course, I make it here after it's not raining anymore. But since I'm here, I guess I'll grab one for a souvenir. Alright, so I'm looking for the last vending machine stop with all the hot food. And I can't find it. Like, I'm in the right area. This is literally the end. This is like where it's supposed to be like, oh, you did it. Like, this is the spot where you finally get your hot food, and I cannot find it. All right, so found the area is hella vending machines over here. Like, mad vending machines. Look at all these damn drinks. Don't nobody want no more drinks. I just need one with some hot food. That's it. Oh. This can't be happening right now. This can't be happening right now. Oh my god. Yo. This has to be a joke. Whoa. 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 I've traveled long and far just to get a piece of this machine. I don't even know what this say, but it probably say F you, leave. Look at all these options. Okay, got a hot dog, another hot dog, some fries. It's a wrap. I don't think I've ever been more disappointed before in my life. Like, I feel like this is easily the worst way to end this video. Like, or maybe the best for y'all, but for me, this is the worst way to end this like day. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Like, a part of me want to just like rip this off just to see if it really don't work. I guess the next best thing is just to get some ice cream and call it a day. Wow. I'm hurt. My feelings is hurt. I'm not crying. I'm not. For real, I'm not. We did it. I got some strawberry ice cream. I got a nice umbrella. Had a good time, made some new friends, not really, but it was all good. On the bright side, it's raining now, so I get to use my new umbrella. That makes me very happy. So, is everything perfect? No, of course not. But is this a pretty nice ending? I'm not mad.